You got a bad cough? Eleanor.
Come on. Got a bad cold?
Hey.
No, please don't.
You got a bad cough? You got a cold?
Got a bad cold?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
You got a bad cold?
It's Oscar.
Oh well. Oh well.
All going.
Bye-bye, cold.
Bye.
Yay! She's like, I'm